Hey everybody, I'm Eric Counts and I wanted to take a little bit of time and go over your corporate dashboard with you. Now, it's important to go through these page trainings when you see them in different places throughout Helios so that you have a good understanding of the best, most efficient and effective ways to use this new tool. Now, when you've landed on your dashboard, you're going to see that there's some stuff here on the screen. Now, guys, you'll see the blank image there. Ignore that. That's just an image. What I really want to focus on is the content of what's going to be here. Now, we are going to read this thing like a book. So we're going to start at the top left and we're going to go across left to right, top to bottom. At the top, you're going to see my smiling face right there because that's where I uploaded my avatar. When you're uploading your avatar, you're going to click your name here. You'll be able to go to your profile and you'll be able to change out your avatar, change out your profile pic, your email, your phone. All of those types of things are handled right there. You can also manage your payment options, monthly payments, registrars, your optional event subscriptions. You'll also be able to manage your optional event subscriptions, and this is also where you can log out. Guys, a good idea when using Helios is at the end of your session, whenever you're going to be leaving your workspace for that day, go ahead and log out. It lets us have a much better use of the system. It keeps our active sessions down and makes the system much more efficient and smooth for everybody. Now, at the top again, you're going to see a little hamburger right here. See the little hamburger? It's a little blue button. That blue button allows people with smaller screen sizes the ability to give themselves a little bit more room. So if you're working on a laptop or a screen that's just a little bit smaller and you want to have more room of your actual work area, you can click that little button right there and it gives you some more room. When you need your menu again, you simply click that button again, opens it right back up. Next to that is your search box. Now this is the global search. It's going to search through a lot of different things all at once. It's going to search your leads. It's going to search your team. It's going to search some notes and classes and all kinds of really great availability to the content that's inside of your Helios account. If you're trying to search for somebody, that's a great place to do that. So I'm going to search for Scott. I'm just going to search Scott. Now I know that I have a lead named Scott. Look right there, Scott Lang, as many of you would know, is Ant-Man. So that's my lead. I found him very quickly simply by using the global search. I'm going to go back to my dashboard because that's what this video is about. As we move over to the right, you're going to see your name. We're going to welcome you into the system. You'll be able to choose your language. You'll see your notifications icon and again another place to log out. Below that is going to be your page title area. Every page inside of Helios has a title. That way you always know where you are. To the right of that is an area that we like to call the action area. And the action area is where we store a lot of different buttons so that when you're looking for a button, one of the first places that you will always check is the action area. Now on your dashboard, that button is for the Renata store. Get yourself some great swag. You might want a water bottle. Maybe you want a t-shirt or a hat or a notebook or all kinds of really awesome stuff. But if you want to represent the community and the family, get yourself some Renata swag. You can do that right there. Now we're going to have some widgets. And the reason I say some widgets is this stuff can change. One thing that's really great about how we built Helios is that it's very dynamic. If this week there's a generally speaking video right here on the top left widget, it doesn't mean that next week it's going to also be a generally speaking widget. We might have moved a Renata's review over there. We might have a course review in here. We might have notifications about the leaders retreat or nationals next year. Who knows what's going to be there? The great thing is we can put all kinds of really awesome training and all kinds of really great content in a quick and easy way for you to find it right here on your dashboard. Now below that, these will tend to be a couple of widgets that stay the same. We're going to have things like your 5-star winner circle contests. We're going to have things like notifications about nationals, notifications about leaders retreat, the graphics that you're used to seeing about going to, what are we going to Cabo this year? That's going to be amazing. And then to the right is the top 10s. Now, you remember we talked about uploading your avatar and uploading your profile picture. When you do that, remember that if you don't have a profile picture and you make it onto the top 10, they're going to replace it with somebody like maybe Christian or maybe Bob or maybe Jay Stark. Who knows? but it's going to say this person doesn't have a picture yet. So we're just going to put this in as a placeholder. Now, I know that surely you don't want this. You know what? Actually, I've changed my mind. I believe that I might just take my picture out so that it's Jay Stark. Make me look so much better. But you get what I'm saying here, guys. Make sure you upload a profile picture because you might get featured. Additionally, when you are hosting an event, if you host that event, it's going to have your picture on it. Additionally, when you are bringing leads through the system, when they land on certain pages, they'll see your picture. So make sure that you do all of those things. Upload your profile picture, your avatar, your email, your phone number, your bio, all of that stuff. And make sure that you use professional images, professional emails, and take the time to do it right. Now, down at the bottom, you're going to notice just the footer of the page, privacy policy, terms of service, contacting customer service, and of course, the Renata support widget. If I click that right here, how can we help? And I can start talking to Renata's customer support. Guys, that is your corporate dashboard. It's a great landing page. It's not that you're going to have the most function here. The majority of what the corporate dashboard is for corporate to talk to you. Maybe to give you, again, training, maybe to give you notifications, or keep you up to date with what's happening in the Renata's community. So come in here, search your dashboard, see what it's all about, learn about the goings on, and engage with your Renata's community. Guys, this has been hopefully your first training video on the corporate dashboard. Don't forget to take all the other training videos. We'll make sure that you are fully aware of how to use this amazing new tool.